game flight.
Oh yeah, I play a lot of Resident Evil. Sure. Wasn't Jensen supposed to be in that movie? No.
I wanted to know, are you anything like your swagger? Is anything like Dean Winchester, like in real life? Are you?
What's that?
Are
My
you
swagger?
Like, well, yeah, like
you saying?
how you act. Are you anything like him?
My girlfriend tells me I am sometimes, but I don't know. I don't see it. Yeah. I guess. I say bitch. Not to girls. So no.
Hi.
You're loud.
I heard that you've not had any sleep today.
Can you tell?
And
Hi.
I'm wondering how you
Doing very well. To whom am I signing up to?
Her.
What's your name?
Jillian.
Can you spell that for me?
This.
wondering if you have ever
To
asked
G?
Yeah.
G-I-L-L-I-N.
Gabriel if who is in charge of the karaoke to put you on karaoke, so they'll fly you out on Friday instead of Saturday.
There you go. Gabriel.